Hey beauts, it's LisshaaleahBeauty and I'm back for a fall into fall tutorial eyeshadow. Now let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome. Check out the best of LisshaaleahBeauty playlist so you can get caught up on any videos that you missed. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new glam videos. Now, let's get into this fall, my favorite season, clothes, makeup, everything. Yes, it will be sad to let go of those bright pinks and oranges, but girl, do I got a perfect palette for fall for you. Let's check it out. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I did my mini Morphe haul. They're having a sale right now if you want to go check it out. 50% off some products, some Jaclyn Hill, some Jeffree Star, some Morphe Originals. So I hit up to get Fall into Frost 35F, and this is the palette we'll be using. Let's just take a sneak peek. Like, come on, those colors, like I can already see everything I want on my eye. Like, these colors are it. So we're going to be using this palette mostly. I will let you know, I don't believe I need to dip into any other palettes, but let's focus on this Morphe palette. My eyebrows are done, my foundation is done, and if you would like to know what foundation I use, how I do my eyebrows, how I do my foundation, full face. For eyebrows, you can hit up Easy Tutorial for eyebrows, and for my foundation and full face, you can hit up the playlist Full Face Glams, or just a full face glam video that I recently posted. Alrighty, and of course I will put those links up above and in my description, so look out for that. Okay, so let's get into this eyeshadow palette, Fall into Frost. So of course I'll put to the left of me what colors I'm using so you can obviously see it closer up. So I'm just going to start with a nice nude color on my lid, my nude. So I'm just going to do it not at the corner but at the end and above. Now you can see my bases are both done. This is really just to get a natural nude on my base, other than my concealer. You guys know I do my concealer base, just because I'm going to be using strong colors that I kind of want to float into my natural skin. So to create that effect, we gotta do some nude. So let's go in. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the dark or light first based on the effect. Let's do the light first and then go in with the dark. So I'm going to use this really nude color, of course, you'll see it up there, and let's get in it. Sorry for the loud noise. They're, you know, the garbage man taking the garbage, and it's very loud. But usually I do matte on the outside and glitter on the inside. Today we're gonna switch it up, and we're gonna do a glitter on the outside, matte on the inside. How you feel? Let me know. Comment below. So, of course, I'll show you the colors there. I'm just going to dip between two colors that I just can't get enough of. And I'm using a small blending brush. And I'm just going to pat it on because I want to be able to control it. So if I need more, I will layer it. And I just want to almost ombre it, blend it into that nude that's already there. Now you could see the final not final, but the first step. I'm just gonna blend it out with a dry blending brush and just blend it out towards the end of my eye and into the upper eyelid, just to blend out that color so it isn't so a definite stop. You want it to be ombre almost into the next color, blend it into the next color. So I'm just gonna do that really lightly because I don't want to lose a lot of the compacted color I did on there, but I do want it to blend really nicely. And if you could see that, even this one could blend a little bit more into that eyelid. Okay, now let's get to the glitter. My mini Morphe. Yes, I'm loving this look already. Sorry, I just paused. I was getting a notification. So now, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go in with this really nice, like almost champagne, and then just light the crease and go upwards. So just right here. And now I'm just gonna go in with a deeper glitter with a flathead brush and go almost right at the lash line, just at the end, and make a triangle or like a half triangle up towards right here, if you could see that. Sorry, I was totally blocking with the camera. Like this. Almost just at the end. And that's it, folks. If you missed out on anything, please hit my description below. It will give you all the info you need. Now, LisshaaleahBeauty is out. Peace.